For someone who, like, is a non-tog, as you've coined it, and so they're not looking to get into photography, they just want to take really nice photos for their websites, do you need to be investing in a really good camera, or are there other ways you can do this?
Heck no. You don't need any equipment that's fancy. And I will all day long say, listen, like find the most affordable option. I don't care if it's a camera your grandmother gave you, like there's so many different options. And all it has to do is be able to take a photo of what you need and make sure it's clear. And I mean, there's so many people that'll go out and buy a DSLR or a mirrorless camera and they don't even have a clue how to use it. And then they're confused and it just makes the problem worse. So I mean, a cell phone takes amazing photos, especially with products. Like, I think that's probably what a lot of these sellers are doing right now. I mean, that are not wanting to go the whole photography route. So, I mean, just the capabilities that we have with all the photography tools right now, it's amazing. So, I like to say you can use anything really.
Thank you. And I really like that you said you can use your phone because I think for most of us, I
Yes.
mean, I don't own a camera anymore. I'll be really honest because I've got a smartphone. It's got a really good camera. It's probably the best camera I've ever had, and it's in my
Yep.
phone. So why would I go out
Exactly.
and get one? Yeah, I'm so pleased you said that.
Exactly.